The next concept is division by t. When f of t is divided by t, then what is the formula? Then how should I apply that one? Now observe this one, the statement, statement of this concept. Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s. Then Laplace transform of f of t by t, that equal to integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. This is the formula. Once again, Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s. This is known quantity. If you don't know, you apply that Laplace transform of f of t and you calculate separately f bar of s. This is first part. This is the initial first step of the problem. After that, Laplace transform of f of t by t. What is the answer for this one, for this type of function? When f of t is divided by t, the answer is integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. Means already I calculated f bar of s ds in the first step. Then you substitute here and integrate it, you will get the answer very clearly. Now this is the problem, and if you have by t square, then 2 times integration. If you have t cube, then 3 times integration, like that. Mostly we are getting 1 or 2 times only, then almost we are getting the problems. Right, first problem, let me solve the one problem on this method. Find the Laplace transform of sin t by t. First question, this is the first question. Second question is e power minus at minus e power minus bt, e power minus bt by t. Then how should I solve this problem? Now we know that Laplace transform of f of t by t, the answer is integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. This is the formula already. Where f bar of s is, what is that f bar of s? Laplace transform of f of t. Then first of all you calculate Laplace transform of sin t, because f of t is sin t here. Laplace transform of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1, that equal to f bar of s by basic formula. Now I want to calculate Laplace transform of sin t by t. Then the answer is integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. Integral s to infinity f bar of s means I will substitute this function 1 by s square plus 1 ds. The answer is integration of 1 by s square plus 1 is integration, that answer is tan inverse s. Infinity, the upper limit is infinity, lower limit is s. Then tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s. Tan inverse infinity value is pi by 2 and tan inverse s is tan inverse s. Then pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is cot inverse s. This is the, from trigonometrical ratios we are getting this answer. Now the next problem is Laplace transform of e power minus at minus e power minus bt by t. Now observe this one. Actually it is in the form of f of t by t. Already I told you the formula. Laplace transform of f of t by t is integral s to infinity f bar of s by f bar of s ds. Now here f of t equal to how much? F of t equal to e power minus at minus e power minus bt. Then e power minus at, actually you calculate the Laplace transform of f of t is nothing but f bar of s. E power minus at is nothing but 1 by s plus a minus e power minus bt is 1 by s plus b. When you are applying Laplace transform, we are getting the answer f bar of s. Then integration of 1 by s plus a, log of s plus a minus log of s plus b. The limit is infinity to s. Upper limit is infinity and lower limit is s. Then this can be written as log a minus log b. Formula is log a by b. Means instead of a we have here s plus a, instead of b is s plus b, means log of s plus a by s plus b, infinity and s, upper limit is infinity and s. Now limit s tends to infinity, log 1 plus a by s, actually you should write like this. From the numerator I will consider log s is common, 1 plus a by s. Next again divided by s 1 plus b by s. The limits are s to infinity, upper limit is infinity and lower limit is s cancel here. Then when you are substituting here infinity, then a by infinity is 0, b by infinity is 0. When you are substituting upper limit, log 1 minus, next one log of 1 plus a by s by b 1 plus b by s. Therefore log 1 is 0, 0 minus log, then again s is the LCM, s plus a by s plus b. The answer is minus log of s plus a by s plus b, log of s plus a by s plus b. Minus is common. This is the answer. Like this we can solve the problem very easily. You can see the more examples. By using this concept we can solve the problem very easily. The next, another problem with this concept. Now one problem I will consider, this is very different problem, important also. Using the Laplace transform, evaluate integral 0 to infinity e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t into dt. Now if you want to calculate Laplace transform of this function, how much functions are available here? Now observe this one. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st, e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t into dt, where s equal to 0. Means if s equal to 0, means directly we are getting the same thing only, the same question only. Then what I will do? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power minus t by minus e power minus 2t by t. Then this is nothing but Laplace transform of e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t actually. Then what is the definition actually? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt equal to, what is that? Laplace transform of f of t. Now compare with this formula. Then e power minus st, e power minus st is available. Integral s to infinity, dt is available. Instead of f of t, I have e power minus t minus e power minus 2t. Therefore, Laplace transform of e power minus t and e power minus 2t by t equal to integral s to infinity, actually by t formula means f of t by t formula I am applying here. Integral s to infinity, Laplace transform of e power minus t minus e power minus 2t ds, f bar of s ds. Again the formula is Laplace transform of f of t by t is integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. Then I wrote here, this is the formula since part. Integral s to infinity e power minus st means 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 by s plus 2 into ds. Again the same thing, log s plus 1 minus log s plus 2, upper limit is infinity and lower limit is s. Then this can be written as log s plus 1 by s plus 2 infinity s. Yes, I have taken common on simplification. Log of 1 plus 1 by s, 1 plus 2 by s, log 1 minus log 1 plus, after substituting the limits we are getting like this, log of 1 plus 1 by s by 1 plus 2 by s. The log 1 is 0, the final answer is log s plus 1 by log s2. I got like this, integral 0 to infinity e power minus st, e power minus t, e power minus 2t by t dt equal to log s plus 2 by s plus 1. But already we have taken at first s equal to 0. Then you substitute here s equal to 0 means integral 0 to infinity e power minus t, e power minus 2t by t into dt. Means when you are substituting s equal to 0, the question again it has come. Means observe the question, the same question. For that answer s equal to 0 means log 2. This is the answer. Sometimes they are asking this type of problems also. Means this is one wonderful technique. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus t e power minus 2t by t dt. We are not doing actual integration, but we are applying Laplace transformation. By using Laplace transformation, we have evaluated this type of integration, improper evaluation of improper integral. Now this is also one technique. Without using beta gamma function also, we will calculate the integration values.